Monique, welcome to my channel. I publish videos on this channel 3 times a week at least, and my videos are usually how-to or review videos. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Help me to get to 500 subscribers by the end of the month. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add colors to text in iMovie. So keep watching. This was a cool picture actually. So maybe I'll use this. This is from the last video. It's a title. That's like a title video or title picture that I had in there. It's got the Ken Burns effect on it. So right now I'm just going to take this effect off and put on like fit. So that's the picture. So I want to put some text in here. So I'm going to show you how to put text in and how to change the color of the text. So we're going to go to titles and we're just going to pick a title. So here, this is the type of font that I use and the title that I use when I want to say, you know, help me to get to 500 subs in my videos. So I'm going to put that on and I'm just going to shorten it to this picture there. So double click. And now you can type in whatever you want. So I'm going to say 500 subscribers. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Go to the beginning and press spacebar to play it. Okay. So yay, we've got a title. So now if I don't want white, say like the background of the picture is white, so I don't want white writing on a white background. So you double click to select it and you go up to the right. And so you'll see the bold, you'll see italic and outline, and then you'll see a little white square. So the title is using the color white right now for the text. So you just click on it and this little palette comes up with like crayons. It kind of reminds me of like the Crayola box. And so if you want to change the color, you just select what you want and then you just click on this and the color changes. So now the color is pink. 500 subscribers. So even that, it doesn't really stand out too well against the black. So I think you can still hit outline. You can. So I think that makes it a little bit brighter. Yeah, just against the background. Close this. Go back in. Click on something else. And now it's like a light green for text. So let's just try something else. Let's try like a different title or something that's zoomy, or I think that there's like shooting star. Actually, yeah, shooting star is cute. I think that's a shooting star, or maybe a comet or something like that. I don't know. So just write Monique. This is what the title looks like. Aww. So default color for this one is white as well. Click on there and change it to pink. Monique, that's the new color. This video has been about how to add colors to text using iMovie. If you like my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. Help me to get to 500 subs at the end of this month. And I'll see you on the next one.